everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. And guess what? We have a jewelry haul. Yes, I got a bag of jewelry. It's been sitting here waiting to be opened from Shop Goodwill online. I'm going to open it up and we are going to start unbagging this. See what we got here. Okay, I ordered one that said it had a lot of rhinestones because of my crafting. So let's just pull out and see what we got. Oh, this is on a ribbon. I'm gonna move the bag out of the way. This is on a ribbon. That's very pretty. And then I guess you just tie the velvet is not very good, so I am going to craft with this bit right here. So that's a craft piece. Ignore my horrible nails. Here's some bangle bracelets. These are really pretty. Set those aside. Okay, here's another. That's pretty. It's not bad. Bracelet. Oh, this one's pretty. Nice and glittery. Oh, we got an earring here. This is pretty. Stretch. Stretch is not too bad. Okay. This cuff bracelet is really pretty. It says China, I believe. Yeah, it does have a maker's mark, though. I'll have to look at it a little closer. This I will craft with. These right here. Those will be craft items for sure. Here's a pretty bracelet. It's a stretchy one. That's not too bad. This, I think, is a hair tie. It is missing stones. I am going to craft with that for sure. This says Katie's Creations. Somebody must have made that and sold it. It's got little owls. I'm sorry, Katie. I'm going to take it apart and craft with it. Here's a couple more bracelets. Here's a black one. And then this is pretty. This is... it's got a heart stone and it has a cross. Here's how it opens. I was trying to figure out. It has a latch like that. This is pretty. I will sell this one. This one will be for sale. I'll put it in an upcoming sale. That's pretty. These I think I'm going to keep. They're a lightweight. You can tell from the backs. These are real cheapy. I don't think I could sell them, and because of the shape, I probably can't craft with them. But I can definitely wear them. So those go in my pile. Look at these. These are so pretty. I'm gonna have to decide: do I want to sell them or do I want to craft with them? Because I might can sell those. They're pierced. They're pierced. Here's a pair of Charming Charlie. On the card, pierced earrings. Say $8. Okay, these also. Do I craft with these or do I sell them? They are so pretty. Here's a pretty bracelet. So yeah, I think I'm gonna sell that. I think I'm going to sell that. Definitely. And look at these earrings. I'm not going to sell these. I am going to craft with these. But those are nice. Okay. Okay, I just sat and untangled everything before we filmed anymore because I knew it would be just starting and stopping for me. So here we go. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Isn't that so pretty? I think I am going to try to sell this one. There's this necklace. I haven't decided on that. This bracelet, there we go. I have this bracelet, which has lost its stretch really bad, so that's definitely going to craft. There's this bracelet. I love this stone right here. That's I'm going to think about that one. I'm going to move some stuff out of the way. This says Avon on it. This is definitely going to be a craft item. Let me see. Let me put these. These are, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with yet. This, I think I am just going to craft with that. Some things I know I'm not going to be able to make any money off of. This little thing I'm going to craft. This little necklace I'm going to craft, definitely. This is cute, and it may be vintage. It's missing stones though. Okay, it's going to craft. When it's missing stones, it automatically goes to craft. This is going to craft. Right there. Here is some little Austrian crystal little angels. I think it says all sales final. Sally Beauty Supply. I don't know, I might sell that. These are pretty. These are pretty earrings. I think I will try to sell those. These I'm going to keep because I like them. They are plastic. Well, no, the metal might be metal, but yeah, it's plastic. But I'm going to add that to my earring collection. Like I need more earrings. I don't. Here's a bracelet. This feels a little cheap to me, so I'm going to craft with that. I'm making that decision right now. Here's another one of these bracelets. This bracelet I'm going to craft with. This necklace, it is very pretty, but it's got this nasty ribbon on it. I'm going to craft with that. Move you aside. These earrings, I'm not sure about. I mean, I don't really think I can craft with them. Perhaps I'll try to sell those. We'll see how that does. Here's a little bracelet. I'm going to think about that one. Look at this. I think I'll try to sell that. It's got this big... I think it'll look pretty if you can see it in the right light. This I'm going to craft with. This is pretty. It looks very cheap up close. Otherwise, I really like it, but I'm going to craft with it. These earrings are really cute. Part of me wants to keep them, but I've got too many. I'm going to try to sell those, actually. And look at these. Another pair I'm going to try to sell. Aren't those gorgeous? Those are so pretty. Here's the backs of them. Very pretty. Very, very. This is an old pin. I had a lot of stuff tangled up in this. I don't see a maker's mark. The metal feels very flimsy, like I could bend it at nothing. I'm going to craft with that. This one is like a bib style. That is really pretty. I need to have another jewelry sale, don't I? Look at this. Is that not gorgeous? That is absolutely gorgeous. Ooh. I will try to sell that. If it doesn't sell, I definitely will craft with it, but I will try to sell it first. And then there's this statement necklace. It's really pretty. There's a lot of statement necklaces. Look at this one. Look at that. All that gold tone metal and then a little bit of rhinestone. Let me move that over there. This one intrigues me. I don't know if I want to keep this one or not. Part of me wants to keep this necklace. I just think it looks very retro. I think I'm going to keep that one for myself. Look at this. This one is very pretty. Like that. This green. I don't know if I can sell this green one or not. I think it's going to go off to craft. This green has a very vintage look to it. I think I can try to sell this one. And it has Maker's Mark. This is J. Crew. Yeah. This one is a J. Crew. I'll definitely try to sell it. Very pretty. I love those colors on there. Here's another statement necklace. This one, I think I'm going to craft with it. I don't think it's a nice enough piece to sell. And look at this one. This one, I'm thinking it's white on one side, but then it's black on the other. Does it have a Maker's Mark? I don't see one, but I kind of want to keep it. I think I'm going to hang on to that one. Now I have a few more little pieces. Let me put them out here. These little pieces are left. So here's a ring. It's not bad. It's a hinge. It's a hinged ring. Let's see. Let me grab. Let's see. Let's see. It's a. I would call it a 7. It's a 7. It's a size 7. Pretty. I think I will try to sell that. Here's a ring. Look at the bling on this one. No Maker's Mark on the inside. I like it. It's a 7. It's worn out. I like that. That looks pretty good. I've got this pair of earrings that is very, very pretty. Those are nice. Here's another ring. It fits. What size are you? It's a 6. I can fit it on my ring finger. Let me look at it closer. It says it's Avon. There's a little size 6 Avon ring if somebody's interested. And then I got 2 pair of studs here. Got a pair of yellow. I think I'm going to keep these because I don't have any yellow studs. And then I have a pair of clear if anybody is interested. I'm not sure. That looks like maybe it's supposed to be a 2 carat each. Those look about 2 carat if they were real. If they were real. So there we go. That's everything. Oh no, it's not. I got 2 more things. Look. Let me move these aside. Look at this. Is that not amazing? That is amazing. I'm going to sell that hopefully. And then this is the big one of the whole show. Look at this. That is an amazing piece. I'm definitely going to try to sell that. Now that is everything. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or if you're interested in any pieces, just leave a comment down below. And guys, thanks for watching. I will see you next time.